Okay, you guys, so I'm in the car right now. I told you guys I'm gonna be vlogging today. I'm trying to find some good light. Okay, but anyway, I'm in the car and I'm about to go to my sister's school because she got my freaking bank card. She left it in her coat pocket, and so I gotta go get it. Great. But yeah, I was gonna leave out anyway. I just didn't plan on going to her freaking school. Like, I didn't want to do that. But anyway, the snow melted. It was snowing so hard for the past, what is he doing? I don't like this. But it was snowing for the past 2 days, so everybody was stuck in the house for 2 days. Now the roads are clear. All the snow is melted. It's 48 degrees right now, which explains why everything is melted. I didn't even have to clean my car off all the way because all the snow melted off. 3 things actually. I recorded a video about this makeup look, so I'll link that in the description box. That one will definitely be up before this one, but they're not gonna be up like days apart. So yeah, but I'll probably put this one up like the day after I post the prom makeup look. But anyway, so what was I talking? Oh, I have 3 things to talk to y'all about. So basically, I want to talk about the Superstay Maybelline foundation. I told y'all I was going to be like vlogging today so that you guys can see how the look, so y'all can see how the foundation basically holds up during the day. And so far I've gotten like oily twice. I don't know if it's because I didn't use a primer. It probably would stay better if I did use a primer, but yeah, all I did was the powder method, which clearly didn't really do too much justice because I did get oily twice today. I put on my makeup. I was done my makeup around like 11 o'clock, and right now it is 4 o'clock, and yeah, hold on, because I'm irritated right now. I'm sorry. Like people, I just hate when people stare at me like, what are you looking at? Like what? I know I look good, but sheesh, like, give me my face back. Like, what? But anyway, so I lost my train of thought. Sheesh. Okay, so back to what I was saying, because people are just blowing me right now. Like, what in the world? But anyway, like I was saying, I put on my makeup at 11 o'clock this morning. Right now it's 4. I got oily twice. I had to like blot my face twice today because I was so freaking oily. The transfer is really terrible. Like I put my hand on my face and it's just brown. Like, I don't know if that is in fact the foundation or it is the concealer that I used, but whatever. As far as the concealer goes, basically I feel like, I don't know, actually the concealer is not too bad. My under eye area is not really that creasy, kind of, sort of, I guess. It's not too creasy, but whatevs. I still prefer, I think I prefer the LA Girl Pro Concealer better, just for the simple fact that I actually feel like it's more coverage. Like, and I like products with, like, I like my makeup to look like I have on makeup. Like, that sounds weird, but I don't want to be beating my face and putting on tons of makeup for it to look natural. Like, I don't want my makeup to look natural. Like, I like full coverage everything. Even though I don't really need a lot of coverage, I just like full coverage everything. I like the way that it looks. And I feel like LA Girl Pro Concealer is better than the Maybelline Concealer. And I feel like you get more product in the LA Girl Pro Concealer anyway. So it kind of works out. That's what I had to say about that. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is What I get, like, I get messages on Snapchat a lot about, like, self-confidence and how I'm so confident and how I don't care about anything that anybody has to say about me and blase. Okay, so let's address that. So I am a very confident person. I know what I'm capable of. I know what I bring to the table. I know what I'm good at. I know what I'm bad at. I know what I like. I know everything that I can do. Like, I don't let people tell me that I can't do something, basically. I didn't used to always be this confident. Like, I feel like everybody has insecurities and everybody has moments in their life when they're not as confident as they could be. And I feel like I wasn't as confident, like, previously in my life. So basically what you have to do is look at yourself for real. If you're feeling some type of way about how you look, then, I mean, you can change anything about yourself, to be honest. You can change anything that you want. Some stuff you can't really change, but others, yeah. I'm gonna give y'all an example. So I'm basically gonna tell y'all all of my insecurities that I have or that I had and I had to deal with. Basically, I didn't like my teeth. I just got braces a year and some months ago. November of 2016 is when I got my braces. So up until 20 years old, I was living with teeth that I didn't like. And my teeth weren't even bad. Like, going back and looking at older pictures that I had, they weren't bad, but it's like they weren't perfect. So I wanted my teeth to be perfect. I never, like, really, I laughed a lot. I still smiled and laughed a lot, but it was like a hidden, like, you know how when somebody, like, smile and they try to cover their mouth and stuff like that? Like, I barely did that. I didn't want to talk to people because I just didn't like my teeth, and that was it. So I just decided to get braces, and bada bing, bada boom. Now I'm Chip Skylark. That's my insecurity that I could change. An insecurity about myself that I didn't like, that I couldn't change, was my height. So I've been tall all my freaking life. So I never really liked how tall I was in elementary school, middle school, even in high school. I really didn't like it. I felt like I always stood out to people. Like, I was always a attention grabber. Like, I don't know. I just felt like that for real. And I didn't want to feel like that because, again, I was insecure about so many things that I just didn't. Why are you in this lane? Like, come on. So yeah, my height was something that I did not like. And by the way, I am 5'11". So yeah, in high school I didn't like to wear heels and none of that. So to my, what was it? I had a ring dance, which was 11th grade. 11th grade we had a ring dance, and I wore some platform shoes. They were like tennis shoes, and the heel was like this big. So they weren't even really like a platform. It was just basically like a shoe with a heel, basically. Well, not really. It was like, yeah, the platform was like this big, so that wasn't really that much of a height difference. I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm seeming so discombobulated, but these people don't know how to drive, and they pissing me off, like, to be honest. 11th grade, I went to ring dance, and I didn't wear heels. I wore tennis shoes. I finally got some courage to wear heels, and that was to prom, because I had on a short dress, and at first I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wear some tennis shoes, I'm gonna wear some Converse for real, be on my Demi Lovato-ish or whatever. But I'm like, no, I'm a diva. Divas wear heels, divas do this. Like, and that's literally the mindset that I have right now. Like, whenever I put on a heel and I start to feel like damn, tall, like, I just be like, you're a diva. Like models are tall. Like, what? Like, you're a model. Like, you're a whole Barbie doll. That's what I tell myself, literally. Like, and I've just been loving it ever since, to be honest. That was just something that I had to just get comfortable with. Like, those insecurities that you can't change, you really just gotta get comfortable with it. Like, it's nothing you can really do. You just gotta tell yourself, well, I'm stuck with this height, so whatever. If it's something that you can change, then by all means change it. Do what you gotta do. If you want a bigger butt, go get a bigger butt. You can do it by working out, or you can do it by going to get surgery. I'm no judge. Like, I don't judge nobody. Like, shoot, I might, if I get me the money to get my booty done, it's over. It's over. Game over. So, some stuff you just gotta get used to. You just gotta tell yourself, get over it, basically. Like, it's nothing you can do. And to be honest, if anybody has anything bad to say about anything about you, they are really insecure themselves. Like, anybody who says anything about my height, you just mad because you can't be my height. Like, that's basically how I think about it. And that's basically how I stay so confident and stay so happy. Like, I just feel like if you have something rude to say about something about me, something about my appearance, something about how I act, because I feel like I have a pretty darn good personality too. Like, I'm the happiest person in the world. Like, duh. But I just feel like, yeah, people just be mad. So let them stay mad. And you just gotta embrace it. Like, people made fun of how tall I was, and now I'm on Instagram straight flexing, straight model poses, straight in the heels, getting it on her. Like, that's it. Like, don't let nobody tell you that you are not great. Like, that's just how I think about it. Don't let anybody tell you that you're not great, basically. Don't let nobody tell you, like, nothing. Like, and then you know what I hate? I hate when people put themselves down. Like, people on Twitter do this all the time. People on Instagram sit there and say, yeah, I'm ugly, blah, blah. Like, no, I'm not about to sit here and put myself down. It's no point. But, yeah, that's all I had to say about that. Basically, just how to be confident is you just can't compare yourself to other people. You can't listen to what other people say about you. You really have to be in your own world. Like, I'm so confident because I'm in my own world. I don't let nobody tell me anything about myself. You can't tell me anything about myself that I don't know about myself. Basically, that's how I think about it. And you'll be so much better if you just get that mindset. But it all takes time, for real. Like, you'll get the hang of it. Once you put it in your head that, oh yeah, I'm not that bad, for real, you're gonna eventually get to, oh yeah, I'm like, quick and in a hurry, like, in a hurry. But I'm gonna put this phone down now because people are crazy. And, yeah. So, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so right now it is like 11 something p.m. and this is my makeup. So I've literally had it on for like 12 hours. Yeah, 12 hours, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying right now, y'all. I put on my makeup at 11 o'clock this morning, and right now is, let me start over. I put on my makeup at 11 o'clock this morning, and right now it is 11 p.m. So this is what my face looks like after a whole day of wearing. This is the color, what was it called? Superstay foundation by Maybelline. I kept getting oily all day. I'm gonna try this foundation with a primer, and I'm also gonna try it with a different concealer because I don't know. But I don't know. It's not really on my face anymore. Like, it looks a mess. Like, I look crazy right now. And I'm really oily, but I feel like I need a primer. Like, if I had a primer, it would be better. So, I might try it with a primer tomorrow. We shall see. But I just wanted to make this video before I went and washed my face, because that is what I'm about to do. Next, I'm going to wash my face, and then I'm going to finish editing the freaking prom makeup. This look that I have right now, I'm going to finish editing that video. I was done earlier, but the freaking video, something happened with Final Cut Pro, and now I had to start all over. So, my life, I can never post a video successfully, but it's whatever. At least I have fun doing it, so that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my face and I might come back later. maybe, possibly. Depends on how I'm feeling. I might do some goofy stuff tonight. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, by the way. Subscribe if you like these. I'm gonna try to make vlogs where I actually do stuff, but I don't really do stuff, so I gotta start doing stuff so that my vlogs will be interesting. But yeah, I'll be back, maybe. But if not, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if I don't come back, then I'll see you on my next video. But yep.
I ain't scared to make it shoot. I'ma throw this ass back.